Hello everyone! In this video I want to show you how to prolong the pausing period of updates in Windows 10. I'm currently using Windows 10 Pro. I have to check if this method also works with Windows 10 Home. I will write the information in the comment section later, but just know that this is about Windows 10 Pro. And the only thing that's required for this method to work is to be connected to the internet via Wi-Fi. And that's it. Now let me access the Windows settings. Go to Update and Security. As you know, Windows updates the system automatically under normal circumstances, but you can pause the updates for up to 35 days. Just click on Advanced Options and then under Pause Updates, Pause Until, you can select until what date you want to pause. Now, on the one hand, it is crucial to have your system up to date to protect your system against malicious software and against viruses, but on the other hand, if you are using flight simulators, sometimes Microsoft updates cause some bugs or instabilities. And in this regard, sometimes it's better to pause updates for an extensive period, and during that time you can make sure that the updates or the update has a good reputation, that it's not known to cause any trouble, and then you can go ahead and execute the update. Now, as I said, you can pause the updates for up to 35 days, and for some people it's not long enough. For me, it's neither, because, for example, I have a system that is running very well, and as you know, there is a saying, never touch a running system. At least not until you can make sure that the updates are not troublesome. Now, if you have selected to defer the updates until a specific date, in my case, I have paused them until March 29th, 2021. As your dates go by, that pause will remain the same and it will not change. So you can pause the updates for up to 35 days from the day on which you have executed the last update. Most of you probably know this, so there is nothing new about me saying this. But here's the thing. Right now, on the day that I'm recording this video, it's March 15th, 2021. And I think about 2 weeks ago I have updated the system, or 2.5 weeks. So the date until which I can pause the updates is March 29th, or actually March 30th, and it will stay on that date tomorrow, the day after tomorrow, and so forth. So on March 30th, 2021, Windows will attempt to update your system. Now, some of you may want to pause the updates for longer. So you want to be able to select a later date. I don't know, maybe there is a way to do it via the registry, but let me show you a very simple and effective way. All you have to do is simply to disconnect from your current Wi-Fi connection. Okay, so Windows has now no access to the internet. And now go back to your Windows Update settings and click on Resume Updates. So it encounters an error. Now, of course, because it has no access to the internet. And now what you do, you go back to Advanced Options, and now you can select a date that is 35 days away from today. So it would be April 19th, 2021. And then you reconnect. through your Wi-Fi, reconnect to the internet. So it worked out quickly, and that's it. So it says error encountered, but that's not a big deal because Microsoft or Windows now will not attempt to update the system until the designated date, which is April 19th. So I hope that this easy method will help you to keep your system stable until you are sure that the updates are not malicious to your flight simulators. Oh, one more thing. Don't worry when it says that Windows Update encountered an error. In a while it should go away. Why? Because I did that 2 weeks before I recorded this video, and at the beginning of the video you saw that it didn't show me that it encountered an error. So as I said, in a few days it should go away. So don't worry, Windows will not attempt to update your system without your approval, without you explicitly clicking on update. Okay, I hope that this will help you to keep your computer fast and stable. So thank you for watching and happy landings.